So guys, the very first thing all you have to do is just download this orange and teal mobile Lightroom preset, also the desktop Lightroom preset, also the camera preset. So just copy that mobile Lightroom preset to your smartphone and open the Lightroom application. Just click on this plus icon on the bottom screen. Click on the three dots on the right screen, unselect the JPG and also the video files, and just select the RAW. RAWs are the preset files which are present in your mobile. Just click on this preset. Here is the teal and orange new preset for your mobile Lightroom. Now click on the add button, so it will be added to your old photos. Just wait for the moment to be added. Here it is added. Now open that photograph or the preset file. Just click on the three dots and select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and let's open some of the photo from here. Just click on the three dots on the right screen and just select the paste setting and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing. Here's the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very dope, guys. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots on the right screen and select the paste settings and you can see the difference. It is really looking a very amazing look, guys. Now let's try it on this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you can see the different kind of perfect tealies and the kind of orange look it is giving to your photos, which will actually make your photos to stand out from the rest on Instagram. Let's try it on this photograph and you can see the difference. Here's the before and here is the after, guys. Let's try it some on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really an amazing preset. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com. So guys, stay tuned on that website. Also I will be uploading soon the most powerful preset on that website. Also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.